So when we talk about the comparison test, when I say it's a good comparison, if someone wants to say, Kevin, are you a good driver? Well, I want to get someone who's about my age, who kind of knows me a little bit type thing, and you know, maybe we have similar. That way they can compare who's a better driver if we do that. I don't want to be compared as a driver to an expert race car driver who's probably going to know how to drive a whole lot better than I am, and I don't want to be compared to a 2-year-old who gets behind there and just starts gunning it. And those are bad comparisons, right? We want it to be something comparable, something that's going to make sense. So because this limit gives us a specific value, that means that these two can actually talk to each other. They're actually close enough to one another that it's a good comparison. So because the behavior of this one is divergent, we can conclude that the behavior of this one is also divergent. So I want to come to an overall conclusion because this isn't even the test we're trying to do. We're trying to see if it's absolutely convergent or not. So now that we know this, for sure it's not absolutely convergent. That gives us two options. This original one is... So...
He's going mad scientist.
So this overall is not, by definition, absolutely convergent. So our only two options are that it's conditionally convergent or that it's overall divergent. Which means we took a gamble, tried the absolute value, didn't pay off.
Fail.
So what we're going to have to do now, so our options are... only options are, for the original, is that it's divergent or conditionally convergent. Which means we got to run another test. I'm definitely going to teach it this way from now on. I've never taught this way before. Right? Totally different approach. Now we know it's convergent. We need to know what kind. Is it conditionally or absolutely convergent? We know it's not absolutely convergent. So what is it? This room definitely has some advantages. Last semester sucked. Those of you that weren't here last semester, this thing broke. All I had was the one board. So. It was actually quite terrifying. Sometimes you could push it up and then it would spring back down.
Isn't it n minus 1?
Yes, it is. Thank you. How are we doing? Take a minute and talk this out.